Climate Kick Startup Accelerator Italy is an acceleration program for startups that provide solutions to adapt or to mitigate climate changes. It is a national program that lasts 18 months. It is implemented every year since 2012 in Italy. At the beginning it was a regional program, so it was only dedicated to those startups that were based in Emilia-Romagna, but now it is a national program, so we can support companies also coming from other regions apart from those that come from Emilia-Romagna. The program is funded by an organization that is called Climate Kick, which is a knowledge and innovation community that is supported by, it is financed by the European Institute of Innovation and Technology. Together with, so Arter coordinates this program, but we also collaborate both with Climate Kick, the hub in Italy, because Climate Kick has a hub in Italy that is based in Bologna. And we also collaborate with two organizations that are based in the province of Trento, that are called Trentino Sviluppo and Hub Innovazione Trentino. The program is implemented in Italy, in Emilia-Romagna, since 2012. So it was implemented initially only in our region, because Arter was the pioneer organization that was included in Climate Kick at national level. We were the only Italian partner at the time when Climate Kick started. And we decided, Aster decided to jump on this opportunity because the green economy in the region is extremely important. So there is a lot of organization of companies that work in this specific sector. There are 5,500 companies in the green economy in the region. And also, of course, there are also policies to support those companies, both for the companies in the sector, but also for those companies in other sectors maybe that want to be greener and to produce maybe in a better way and with less impact on climate. So that's why Aster decided to get engaged in this kick at the time. So we have, of course, invested a lot of resources and also energy in implementing this program and making it grow over the years. Aster has a lot of experience in supporting companies because we launched the first programs to support innovative startups about 20 years ago now. But we didn't have, up to that time when we started this program, a dedicated program only for green companies. So it was the first time for us to have like an accelerator program only for green companies. And this has been a very important opportunity for us because we have been able to get in contact with other organizations that did similar things compared to us, and also to increase our network, also increase our contacts in this specific sector, and also to get to know some methodologies to better support companies in this sector. For instance, the program every year launches new initiatives and supports further the companies every year. So from the beginning it has grown a lot. And for instance, this year there is this new this new service that consists in helping those companies that are supported within the accelerator program to measure their impact on climate. So companies can calculate directly how much their technology can impact on climate. So at the end they have like a calculation, some feedback on how they impact on climate, and they can show this calculation to their customers or their partners in order to get more visibility out of that. Aspects that can make the success of this accelerator. So the first one is that the accelerator provides a full package of services, so the companies can access funding up to 70,000 euro per company in grants. So it is not, we don't take equity in the companies we support, but we provide them with grants. We also provide them with training, with coaching, with networking. Another important aspect of this program is that we combine both regional opportunities and national opportunities with international opportunities. For instance, Climatic organizes master classes for the whole community of startups that are participating in the programs in each country every year. So, more or less once a month, there is a master class to which our companies from Italy can participate at, together with companies from other countries. So it is a very positive aspect, because the trainers, of course, are top trainers coming from different, from European countries, but also from other outside Europe. So Climatic takes really good trainers to provide these master classes. And it is not very easy for an Italian company to access this sort of opportunities, but also Climatic has implemented additional services, like for instance, there is this investor marketplace where companies that are looking for investors can access to this service, and they can get contacts among possible investors that could take equity in their companies. Another important aspect of this accelerator is that the community is really huge. So there is a national community made of more than 30 organizations, but there is also an international communities, and there are partners from all over Europe and also outside Europe. There are about 300 organizations that participate in this community. There are like institutions, research organizations, but also big companies, and our startups can access to this specific network. And also another important point is that the companies have access to both the opportunities that are provided by Climatic, but also to the opportunities that are provided by the partners that implement the program in each area. So we combine both this service package that is specific for the accelerator together with the other opportunities that Arter can provide to the startup community in the region. So for instance, access to this specific space, the startups can have access to meeting rooms. They can have access also to companies and to mentors that are members of our local ecosystem. And I think also that another important aspect is that I have the impression that they are in a safe environment, because we are also a public organization. We don't take equity. And we have like a public sector approach that is appreciated by the companies that participate in our program.